I've been doing these videos for a little while, and someone recently asked me what makes me an expert. Basically, why should I listen to you? And that's a fair question. So here we are. My name is Hillary. I am a licensed and certified speech language pathologist who specializes in concussion and cognitive rehabilitation. So first off, in order to be a speech therapist, speech language pathologist, you have to have a master's degree or higher. Bear, sit. He knows where the treats are. You have to have a master's degree. I have a master's of arts from George Washington University in speech language pathology. I do have undergrad degrees in Spanish and linguistics from the University of Georgia. Go Dogs! And the CCC is that I am certified through ASHA, which is our Speech Language Hearing Association. I am also licensed in 2 states, Colorado and Wyoming. And so qualifications for the master's degree, you have to pass obviously all of your classes. I chose to do a thesis. So I did a thesis instead of taking comps within my program. My thesis was on right hemisphere stroke and how that impacted language comprehension and kind of the latency period for understanding language in active versus passive voice. And then we also have to take the praxis. So that is what qualifies me to practice as a speech therapist. The other part of it is just concussion and brain stuff. I have done this. I have known since grad school that this is what I wanted to do. Neuro was my field. I did not want to do anything else. And I have done all of my internships, externships, clinical fellowship, which we have to do the year after we graduate. And the last 10 years of my career have all been spent within concussion and or neurological rehabilitation in some way. And if that's not enough, I do also sometimes have to testify in court for patients who are involved in motor vehicle crashes. And I have been certified by judges that I am allowed to be considered an expert in the field. So that's who I am. I don't say that to boast. It's just what I've done in order to get where I am. And it's why the information that I have is kind of true and vital to get out there. So hope that makes sense. And yeah, there it is. Bear and I are gonna go finish.